Packages are additional routines that allow R to be extended in various ways. We'll be using a number of packages during the course, mainly the mosaic package and some of the support routines within it. Because R has become so popular, it's actually now frozen the base functionality, so extensions really need to happen using packages. To facilitate things, most of the packages that you need have been installed on the RStudio system to the point where you can actually go ahead and use them. So for example, if you wanted to access the mosaic data package, you could just say require mosaic data. If we go to the packages tab, we can actually see how this is working. You can see that there's a lot of packages that are available to us. There is this mosaic data package. When I go here to the console and run this, there'll now be a check mark saying that that package is now loaded, that running require has made it accessible in some ways. But say I wanted to use another package, such as, for example, the zoo package for that's really useful for time series. If I try to run require zoo, it says there's no package called zoo, and that's because it hasn't been loaded yet. This is something that wasn't included when we set up the system overall. We can install packages in two ways. There's an install.packages function, which lets us download and install packages. But I'm not going to go ahead and do that this way. I'm going to instead use the tab here in RStudio, and we can say click on install, and I can say zoo. It can say where we install it from and various dependencies. For the most part, we can just go ahead and just keep the defaults. And it now says install packages zoo. It's downloading that. It's doing some various things that we don't need to worry too much. But at that point, we can see that the zoo package is now in my user library, and I can go ahead and run require zoo, and it's now accessible to me in various ways.